Hello everyone, this is Nicole from Nicole's Kitchen. Welcome. Today I'm preparing Saba MisoNi, which means mackerel, simmered and miso sauce. So please stay with me to see the ingredients and the way to prepare it. I have here few fillets of mackerel which I washed. Now I'm going to make few incisions like this, and I'm going to put each piece in an almost boiling pot of water where I'm going to submerge it shortly. I am going to submerge the fish to remove its odorous smell. When the skin is turning white, take it out and place it in iced water. Like I have here a bowl of with iced water. I'm gonna place the fish here. Now I'm going to gently wash the fish. Try to remove from its smell, and now I'm going to pat it dry. On both sides. Now in a shallow pan I'm going to add 200 milliliters of water with 1 tablespoon of sugar. If you use 3 tablespoons of sake, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, and I have here 2 tablespoons of miso paste, which I'm going to dissolve and add only half of it at the beginning. Now I'm going to add the fish, skin up. Few slices of ginger root. I'm gonna cover the fish a little bit with sauce. And I'm going to add the green part of a long green onion. Now it's time to use otoshibuta. That's a lid smaller than the pan, which is going to press down on the fish and help cook it evenly. If you don't have otoshibuta, you can fashion one out of aluminum foil or parchment paper by making some holes in it. I'm gonna boil it like this. Reduce the fire to medium and boil it like this for about 5 minutes. If you feel that the parchment paper or the aluminum foil which you replaced for otoshibuta, it's not staying pressed on the fish, you can weight it down with the plate like this. While the fish is simmering slowly, I am going to prepare some shiraganegi, which I'm going to cut like this, remove the inside, and then tinely slice it. And I'm going to place it in some cold water. Now let's go back to the fish, which been simmering for about 5 minutes. I have here the rest of the miso paste, which now you can add it to increase the flavor of miso. Just gonna add a little bit, and now I'm gonna try to reduce the liquid without any cover. The sauce is almost gone. I am just going to reserve some to put it on the top of the fish when we serve it. I'm gonna turn off the fire and take the fish out on a plate. So today's recipe of Saba MisoNi, simmered mackerel and miso sauce, it's ready. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you give this recipe a try, and I hope that I'll see you soon again. Bye!